What up? Y'all ready to go hiking?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think, buddy? What's that say? Knob Hills Trail. Our little bike repair station. Lots of people ride bikes. It's a bike repair station.
Oh, how cool is I think
Yeah.
that'd be new. I don't remember seeing
No,
that.
it was here last time.
Huh?
It was here last time we came.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
All right. Keep your eyes open for bears and lions and stuff. Bears and lions. The real Pokemon.
And the bikes.
Yeah. Lots of bikes. Howdy. Oh yeah. We don't have bikes forever. And this looks pretty easy right now, but it gets pretty rough after a while. Well, yeah, he probably turned around at the hard spot. This is technically the way out. So, if they'd been the whole loop, they'd have been up on the high side. This is the low side, as they like to call it.
We ran the whole loop, right?
Yeah. Well, I've done all 13 plus miles of it. You and I did a 7-mile loop. We did like the whole low side, but we didn't do the back end. We went out to Serenity and that. Oh yeah, me too. Shoot. Hike.
Which way do we go?
Oh my gosh. This way. Oh no, that's the high side. They didn't used to have that trail there, but this is just back when I used to run it a lot, I'd always help them after the rainstorms and windstorms and stuff would come through and blow down all the trees. Yeah. Ooh, look at the monster. Ooh. Roar! Yeah, that's me.
I like it. Look at the claws.
Of course, to be fair,
Did you get?
I want Grayson to hold it. You want to hold it?
Grayson Vision. Don't look, just look at the dirt path. Look at what's ahead of you.
And Kahlan steals the vision. Everybody. The dog. Okay, guys. Excuse me. I'm gonna find a nice spot to hide. I don't want to. And then I'm gonna let them pass me. Just go boo. Yeah. Gosh. There's nowhere to hide. I really should have brought my bike. This looks like so much fun.
I want to take you guys.
Here. Johnny Vision.
Johnny Vision. Daddy likes doing smooth shots like that. This way.
A shot for the trail shot. Are these supposed to like trying to scare us?
No,
Like pretend that it's blood?
Yeah, it's trail markers. Try to scare us. How? Yeah. Pretending that it's blood. No, it's to mark the trail. So you know you're on the right path. Right now it's easy to see the trail, but when the leaves have fallen, the trail's covered with leaves. So it's kind of difficult. Oh, Madilyn and Kahlan are way up there running.
Just so y'all know.
They're way over there.
Just so y'all know, on Pokemon Go, I evolved my Doduo into a Dotrio.
Whoa.
Somewhere in the 900s. If you want to see my powerful Pokemon, comment down below. The doors.
Look at this. See how that fell? Crazy, huh?
Is there a cipher here?
I don't know.
Because cipher.
That looks neat though, doesn't it?
Cipher has.
Hey, look, there's a trail right here. Ah! Let's see it. Oh, there's a lot of ants in there. Guess we all get to spend the night tonight. In here. Would you spend the night here tonight? Madilyn, what's the face for?
Yeah, wait.
With ants?
Here,
Yeah.
that was us.
You'd stay the night in there? Okay. Kahlan would.
Just so y'all know, they're really fast runners.
Okay.
I'm talking about Pokemon.
That's what happens when we're hiking. He's got to talk about Pokemon. I like seeing all of the tree trunks that are falling over. It just looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
The twos are the same thing, but now
On off the trail. That one's got a tire in it.
guys, wherever you're hiding, we know you're in. Well, they got a food storage, so Grayson.
What? Oh, of road apples?
Yeah.
Huh. This is cool. I need a picture of y'all in there.
Look at the scenery.
What? Where?
It's like a good tree. It's like cars are planes coming up. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can kind of see that.
Stop being Pokemon nerds.
I like seeing all of the teepees that are little huts that people put up. That's cool. Let's go see what's up here.
Be careful, there might be catapees.
Centipedes?
Catapees.
What are catapees? Oh my goodness.
Let's go to Daddy and Kahlan. Come on.
Okay, go, go, go. Go, Grayson. Let's run Daddy and Kahlan.
Eddie got us.
You and your Pokemon. My goodness gracious. I think all that talk of wanting to go to Japan is like reawakened. Something crazy in him.
This is their badge cards.
Okay. What is that? Oh wow. That's a really little rock. I'm keeping it. Okay. I can put it in my pocket.
So we don't lose it.
Alright. Go a little faster, guys. Come on. Let's go. Look, Daddy. Okay, another one I can hold. Let's go. Yeah, go. Okay, go, Madilyn. Okay, no more rocks. Go. You got it? Oh, honey. Okay, come on. We're never gonna make it. Oh yeah? What? How many of these rocks are you expecting me to keep?
I mean, I'm gonna, so I'm gonna have to boy and then,
4 rocks?
I mean,
Okay, well I'm pretty sure I have more than 5 rocks in my pocket. We'll see on your next rock. Let's go. Y'all have to walk a little faster than that.
I just saw a window here.
What? You saw a what? That's another rock that you want to keep? Okay. Alright, let's go.
Is that 5 now?
I don't know. Come on. Oh, this part looks cool. Huh? Oh, this looks cool. Go, guys. That's all my rocks so far. Yeah, go. Grayson, just go. You can easily step. Okay, go. You would go down this on a bike? Go down this way, Madilyn. Right here. Go that way.
could have just jumped in.
Go.
Let me do that way. Guys, look. Guys, look. Come. Blue stuff.
Red beetle of some kind.
Guys! I found something cool. I'm gonna put the
Cool. Okay, come on. Let's go.
Come get it. Grab it.
All right, let's go. Yeah, we don't need to be playing in sand. Come on. We're hiking. Oh. Yeah, look, Madilyn. The beaver's been here. Hold on. See that? All right, let's go. Come on.
Only cyclists could do this.
And the giant beaver we approach. Spare us,
Giant beaver.
angry beaver. Spare us.
Why do you
What? Come on, Madilyn. It's not sand playing time. Let's go. There, y'all go up and follow Daddy after the hike. What? No, this is the trail. We're going up this way. Let's go.
You can use that.
I know, we're going back a different way.
That was all the way over the trail. Pretty neat.
Oh boy.
Come on.
Don't push anyone on your way down.
Come on.
Okay.
Looks like a woods wall.
Now, when you come up, you need to go up the wall. Anyway, it's up to you, okay?
You're free. You're coming down.
Be clear. Up to you.
Y'all chose this way, really? Better shoes than y'all, so yeah, you gotta run up it. But you could also go the other direction. There you go. Go, Madilyn. It's okay to go the other direction. Oh boy. Go, go! You're so close, Grayson. There you go, there you go. Go, Grayson, you're right there. Yep. Don't get right behind Grayson. Let him get up, and then you can try. Now you try.
I got it.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, you saved her, Daddy. You saved her. Good job. The goat killer climb.
Hello, Buttercup.
Come here. Hi, kid. I love you. But, oh, look, I'm in the camera shot now. I exist.
hand.
No, the trail's too narrow to hold hands. Do you? What?
So gross.
You think that what y'all are doing?
Nourish yourselves, children, from your mother.
Why is that grossing everyone out?
I don't care.
A little water break, Madilyn.
Ew. This is so disgusting.
Mama.
Keep walking, children.
We love grossing them out. So what y'all think of that hike?
Not good.
You were making tired. Okay, but the scenery of that hike is pretty cool, huh? Yeah.